Alright, what's up guys? It is Saturday morning. We just left the hotel, stopped by Academy to grab a new drift event hat because I left my Chick-fil-A one back in Jacksonville. But we're about to stop and get some food and then head to the track. We're doing an oil change because we're going to change up the oil. What are we doing now? 1550 instead of 5W30. So we'll see how that works. But yeah, gates open in like 10 minutes, but driver's meeting is for like another hour and the A-class session is a couple hours out. So we'll see you guys when we get to Chick-fil-A. Alright, what's up guys? It is Saturday morning. We have finally made it to the track. It is 9:41. Driver's meeting is in like 20 or 30 minutes. A-class doesn't drive until 12:15, I believe. Right now, Claire over there real quick. We got Papa Vito doing the oil change. I know it's really loud. We're switching to a 1550 oil. So we're gonna see how that goes today. The car's getting a ton of blow by. We have a catch can, but the catch can is literally filling up after like a 30-minute session, so no bueno. And yeah, I'll catch up with you guys after the driver's meeting and we'll get into the first session. Alright guys, we got Hot Boy Steve here. Steve painted his car, as you guys can see. So took this bumper off yesterday with my front left wheel. We got 3 questions for Hot Boy Steve today. We're gonna try and do it in 30 seconds. It's definitely not gonna work. Question number 1, how's the weekend so far?
Pretty good so far.
Pretty good.
No big issues. We're both having fun, driving hard, so can't ask any more than that.
Question 2, are you mad that I hit you and ripped your bumper off?
Literally, couldn't be happier. Like, no, don't care at all.
Question number 3, what are the odds that your car comes out with perfect paint today?
Well, the bumper's already messed up, so like any more damage, I hope it doesn't, but you know, you never know.
We're hoping, and that's our 30-second segment with Hot Boy Steve, so we'll catch up with some more people in a little bit.
I see you guys with the camera, what's going on?
We got Dustin Motors here. How's the weekend going, buddy?
Good, man, it's going great.
Why do you have an extra motor in your trailer?
So it actually was in the trunk of the car to start its life, because obviously rear mount motors are the way to go. We have rod knock on this motor. It goes in and out, so I just assumed that we'll throw a rod to the moon and we'll see how it goes.
Swap it on track?
Swap it on the track. I already swapped the suspension on the track yesterday. Put some BCs in. I think I might have beat Adam's time, by the way, at the track with less tools, and he did it with, how long did he take when he did the BCs? Like
30 minutes.
Like 30 minutes? Yeah, I did 18 minutes.
18 minutes.
18 minutes, swapped out the suspension.
But you got your little Grom?
Yeah, a little Grom. Great pit bike, just less wheelies. I mean, you can definitely wheelie them, but
50 likes and I'll ride this thing next event.
50 likes.
50 likes.
Oh man, I'm gonna go like it right now. Like and subscribe. I'm gonna put the bell on.
Put the bell on, yo. Like, comment, subscribe. 100 views and I will sell my drift car for $5. Free giveaway, just buy a sticker.
100 views. 100 views. I'm gonna go watch it 100 times just to buy your car.
You're just hitting refresh.
The computer's on your video just to buy your camera.
Just like screaming like the school's library.
I saw you're looking for a swap car.
I am.
On the Facebookies.
I want to find either a JZ or LS Swap Z or a JZ or LS Swap 240.
Nice. There's a lot of Z's out that are cheap right now with messed up motors.
Yeah, I know.
See, and the LS Swap's like literally the
We have the motor. We have a 6.0. I just wanted to buy a complete car because I'm lazy.
No, do the swap. Have some pride.
Steve, I got a 6.0.
Leave it in the comments if we should buy a swap car or build one.
Here, put in the comments, alright? Should I buy a car that is already done, that's lame, or I have a motor and get a shell and be awesome and build it myself and know every nut and bolt that's in there?
Let's clarify, just the swap would be done. Like, it would go through a full Bell Raceworks, like 2 front and rear and cage, and then like full suspension overhaul.
Yeah, so why buy someone else's project to deal with their headache?
Because we like to create even more headaches than they used to be to residents. I am a headache.
He would tell you the same thing, wouldn't you? He should absolutely buy a shell, put in a motor.
If you find a project that's done fairly decently, you can have a...
Like Ethan's 1J car. Though.
Yeah, like Ethan's 1J car. He bought that for a pretty good price. Did probably a couple $1,000s worth of stuff to it.
But he didn't tube the front end. He's going to tube the front end, so the motor's coming back out anyways.
It depends.
So if the motor's going to come back out...
Depends if it's got Ethan's welds on the front.
That's true.
Those are Ethan's welds.
I know what I'm saying, but Ethan's car
He owns those welds though now, so I mean they are technically Ethan's welds. Well, Vince, we have some time because we're getting somebody off the track. I guess now's the time to promote the new avocado merch. So let me know if you guys want to copy this. 20 bucks. Got pretty much all sizes, small through XXL. So help fund the Child Drifter Foundation, and let's keep on kidding.
Alright guys, so we just left Zaxby's. We're actually in Steve Z. This thing is so sick. As you guys saw, he literally just got it painted. But this thing has AC, full interior. Literally probably the sickest Z out of the group. Got Ethan LZ in front of us and Cold Dog and Andrew behind us. So got the Hot Boy crew out here, but we're about to head back to the track. Unfortunately, I couldn't bring my car because it's not tagged or registered. So we rode with Steve, but Steve's car looks sick. Steve loves it. Maybe we can get some pops in a second here. Guys, we just made it back from taking a ride in Hot Boy Steve's car all the way to Zaxby's. That's his new nickname, by the way, so everybody can comment on Steve's last Instagram post and say Hot Boy Steve. But next session is in like 30 minutes, so we'll get back out there, get some sick tandems in with the homies, and yeah, it should be sick. All right, guys, it is now 4 o'clock. We just finished our second, Steve, was it second or third? Second or third A-class session of the day. We've got like 2 hours till the next one. Got some good runs in with Taylor. Ben literally just like ripped his whole car apart on the oval. But yeah, so a couple more hours, a couple more sessions, and then King of OSW Comp if I can find Tommy and sign up for it in time. Okay.
You towed over there.
Okay.
So back up. Keep backing up. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. All right. Let's try that. So we can't tow it at all.
I got it?
Yeah. Nailed it, dude. Keep doing that.
Okay. Good stuff, Jason.
Good?
Yeah, I'm good.
No, my bad, man.
No, you're good, bro. You're good.
You're good. Car's fine.
Okay.
Ready.
I don't need to fix it. I'm good to go.
You're good to go?
Yep, send.
Okay.
That was good. I ran a shallow lead, so I don't know how that's gonna go.
You got the wing.
Okay. Thank you. Good job, bro. I spun. I like threw it in and got on throttle, and I had like no grip for some reason.
Damn, it's super cold out there.
Yeah.
Definitely.
I don't think I warmed him up enough.
It's like every time I drive at night here, I always think I have more grip than I do.
Yeah.
That was good. I went a little deep on the second one. I don't know if that fucked you up or not.
No, I spun right on initiation.
Oh, fuck. You got it, bud.
Yeah.
Shit though, dude.
Oh yeah, good shit. Thank you.